today I'm going to show you how to refuel your RAA4 Avant if you have an, an petrol car. In this case, you can see inside the flap, you can see there are some information about your car, which fuel it needs. You see unleaded fuel only, E5. E5 is a fuel that is a mixture of 5% ethanol and 95% gasoline. So you can see now it works here because we're going now to top up the car tank by using Super E5. Refuel your car now, lock the gun easily. Now the fuel is dipping into it and the gasoline gun will stop automatically while it is full. Then get back the gun into position, get the cap back in position, and you're back on the road with the right gasoline. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.